Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you want to add something super fun and festive to your garden? Having these firefly lights has brought such a cute little accent to my garden at night, and I just love it. They're swaying solar-powered lights by Tibbiden, and they're so adorable. We live in an area of the Pacific Northwest that is quite gray a lot of the time, so I was a bit concerned that we wouldn't get enough sunlight to really power them, especially when it rains. But I'm so impressed by how well they charge and how bright they are at night. It was simple to press them into the ground. There's a point on the end and it just makes it super easy. I found that you do need to spread out the little stems on the lights a bit to make it look fuller, and then they will sway in the breeze. I love that it has two different modes. It either blinks on and off for some ambiance, or it can stay on continually. I just love how whimsical these lights make your garden. I think they're so much fun to have, and that's my point of view.